ang lahat.
Sobrang saya kasi kahit paano nabili natin yung isa sa mga goal natin, which is yung NMAX na version 2.
Hi guys! For today's video, syempre gagawa tayo ng mini vlog today. So, sobrang special ng araw na to kasi may isang special na tao or sa buhay ko na sobrang special na makakahit ng goal bago matapos tong May. So, ayun, 'di ba? Grabe, sobrang tindi ng effort ng taong ito, dedication para makuha niya yung goals niya. And alam kong deserve niya tong goal na to. So, ayun, 'di ba? Pakilala ko na siya with my
Hi.
with my mahal.
Hello guys.
Ano say mo?
I'm so excited na yun nga, makuha yung goal na to kasi alam mo yun, full
Deserve.
of dedication yung ginawa natin para makuha to. And alam ko naman na ito pala yung start. Marami pa, actually marami tayong kukunin. So abang-abang lang ngayon.
I can't win, I can't reign, I will never win this game without you, without you, without you, without you, without you, without you. I am lost,
We are now here guys. Let's go.
I will never be the same without you, without you, without you, without you, without you. I won't run, I won't fly, I will never make it by without you, without you. I can't rest, I can't fight, all I need is you and I without you.
Hi guys! Nandito na tayo sa Yamaha branch sa may Herrera Street. So, ayun, 'di ba? Nabili na namin yung motor and ang matinding part doon, cash nyo po binili.
NMAX version 2 na ABS, and good thing yan, sineset up na ni sir para mamaya ready to drive na siya. Sige lang po. Double check. 155 again po. 155 per 100. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129, 130, 131, 132, 133, 134, 1
kailangan mo ng tulong
Wala
ko.
pa namang ano, tihap eh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 156. Ito lang.
I won't run, I won't fly, I will never make it by without you.
This time, i-montage po natin yung unit natin. Check po natin yan kung gaano kaganda. Let's go!